How to start wamp server. So I will teach you step by step. Step 1, step open browser and write down here which version you require to install wamp server. For example, we need a wamp server 3.1, 3.1.9 version we required. This is old version. So now we are going to here and now we go to here. Okay, now started to download this one. When this complete, then we will teach you how to step by step we will install, then how we configure your PHP database in your system. So I will teach you one by one. Just go to open, install. Downloading process. Go to here. Step 1, 2. You want to change your path also here. If you want to change here, means you want to change path C drive, D drive, which drive you want to install, you choose here. So now we are default path we are using here, and just we go to install. So what he's saying, log network list, network is awareness. So okay, we ignore it, this one. This one is ignore. Okay, now almost complete. To installation, all the process is complete now. Okay, choose this one. Okay, just ignore it. Okay, this is finished. Next, check here wamp wamp. Click here to start services. So here is showing 1 and 3 services, means only one service is working, 2 services is not working. So MySQL and PHP my admin is both of services not working. So we check step by step. We change port because 80 by default 80 port we are using in another server. That's why this service is not working. So just we go to Apache HTTP and open here and change your port. Means we change here, this port is this one. Addition port also we change 3030. All the ports we change here, and we go to here. In this port also we need to change 3030. Okay, again need to Restart services. So now 3 services running. Now open this. How you access this web page? So local host 3030, the port number, and showing here your PHP admin portal. By default user is root and password is blank. So if you want to create here your database name, just you given any your database barcode, you give your database name barcode, then OK, and okay. So now return back to your database name is we given barcode. If you have a database, so just direct we copy or paste also if you have. If you not have, so means you have a database SQL file, so just go to here, import, and you also import here. Okay, so this one is finished because PHP my admin work is here finish.